name is Divya. I've been a certified hypnotherapist since 2015, and I wanted to take a moment now to share with you why. So it was about 30 years ago that I started teaching yoga, and I would notice over the years that people would come in with various things like physical ailments or stress or grief or delights. Everyone would come in with something different. But when we left, after guided relaxation, there'd be this transformative energy that came through the room. Every person left feeling more connected, more peaceful, deeply in touch with something centered inside. And I started to wonder, how do I help people get to that sensation if they would never sign up for a yoga class? How do I reach people to experience that in some other way? And a friend of mine said, well, why don't you look into hypnotherapy? And I thought, well, yeah, but isn't that just for like stopping smoking? And she said, I don't know, but why don't you look into it? So I did.